All right, here we go. So going back to working on Venn diagrams. Number 1 says the Venn diagram below shows the number of senior boys who play football or the number of senior boys who wrestle. So how many senior boys play football and wrestle? Okay. How many senior boys play football but do not wrestle? 18. Good. How many senior boys play football or wrestle? Nope. So this one's tricky. How many senior boys play football or wrestle? So if they play football, they'd be in this one, right? If they wrestle, they'd be in this one. So technically, it would be all of them, right? Because they all either play football or wrestle, right? So it would be 18 plus 12 plus 9. $39. Good. Okay. How many senior boys wrestle? 12. Be careful. So yes, it's 12 over here. But do these guys in the middle wrestle? Do they wrestle though? They wrestle and they play football. So how many would it be total? 21. Okay. Let's look at number 2. How many people are signed up for yoga class? Good. But you forgot people. Good. Because even though they're in the middle, they're still technically signed up for a yoga class. How many people are signed up for yoga or aerobics? So how many total people are in here? Good. How many people are signed up for aerobics but not yoga? 89. Good. That one was a trick question. How many people belong to the gym? Okay. So you said everybody. That's right. Now everybody consists of these people, these people, these people, and these people. So the 575 is the number of people who are a part of the gym but don't do aerobics or yoga. Right. But how many people? But the people that do yoga and aerobics belong to the gym as well. Good. 181 plus 575. Because you're taking this number and adding it to this number.
So you said that's how many people in the gym.
This is how many people are a part of this 575, right? Is the amount of people that are a part of the gym but don't do yoga or aerobics. The people in the Venn diagram either do yoga and aerobics. So you have to count the 575, the 89, the 24, and the 68. So what Amir said is we know that 181 people here do yoga or aerobics. So we're going to add that to this 575. 756. Good. Okay. I'm going to leave number 3 for you guys to do. Let's go down to number 4. The Venn diagram shows the number of sophomores with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. Okay, so what this might help is if you, I'm going to color code these. Okay, so let's look at this one. How many sophomores just have a Facebook account? Good. Okay. How many sophomores have a Twitter or Instagram account? So be careful. They're going to have a Twitter account. So that's all of the people in green. And all of the people. So look, here's how you're going to have to do this. You're going to have to do 46, 37, 21, 16, 55, and 34. I'll just help you. If you add all those together, you get 209.
The next one would be the alternate.
How many sophomores have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts? Good. That'd be the whole Venn diagram. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That would be the one in the very middle. Because they have all three, is what they're saying. Nope. So, the very middle, where the blue ring, the red ring, and the green ring all connect. Where's that at?
21 and 37.
Just 21, right? Because if you look here for 21, you have blue on the top, green on the side, red on the side. How many students do not have a Twitter account? So that would be all of the ones that aren't in the green, all the numbers that are not in the green circle. Good. What do you get? Now, what about these kids over here that don't have any of them? Plus 28. $241. Good. How many students do not have a Facebook and Instagram account? That's going to be do not have a Facebook and Instagram account. Mm-hmm.
We get graded on this today too.
You're going to get points just for doing it. So this is tricky. So the way that it's worded is tricky. Correct. So when you're looking at this, the students that do not have Yep. So how many students do not have a Facebook and an Instagram account? So a Facebook and an Instagram account, that would be these numbers right here. So everything else, you would have to add all that up. Which is going to give you 285. Okay. Let's flip it over. You want to do 5 or 6 together? Okay. All right, let's look at 5. The Venn diagram below shows the survey results of cities visited by a group of people on a recent trip to Europe. How many people visited Dublin or London? So this word is key. Dublin or. So Dublin, 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 London, London. So if you add all those up, what do you get? Good. Okay. How many people visited London and Paris? So London and Paris. Good. How many people visited London or Paris? So London, 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 Paris, Paris. $346. Okay. Next one. How many people visited Dublin, but not London? So Dublin here. 31 they went to London. 24 they went to London. 43 they did not. So 76 plus 43. 119. How many people visited only Dublin? Good, 76. How many people visited Dublin and Paris? So Dublin and Paris, Dublin and Paris. Good. Okay. How many people visited all 3 cities? Good. How many people visited London? How many people took the survey? That's the people that didn't go to either one of those places. So you have to add up all the numbers. What do you get? Add the 78 to that. Because they went on a trip. They just didn't go to one of those places. You get 500? Yep. Okay, for these, those of you in here, you're going to do and 6 and show it to me. Those of you at home, you're going to do 3 and 6. Take a picture of it and put it on Schoology.